Welcome to Autoland, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, exciting updates, and everything on two wheels. If you're passionate about scooters and motorcycles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda PCX 125, a scooter that continues to set the bar for urban mobility and stylish performance. Designed for riders who demand comfort, efficiency, and convenience, this scooter offers a premium experience wrapped in a sleek, modern design. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda PCX 125 comes with sharp lines and aerodynamic curves that not only look great but also improve overall ride stability. The LED headlights and taillights provide enhanced visibility, while the new color options ensure you'll turn heads wherever you go. Under the seat, you'll find generous storage space enough to fit a full-face helmet and more. The PCX also boasts a redesigned digital dashboard that is easy to read and provides all the vital information at a glance, from speed to fuel levels and even notifications for maintenance checks. Performance-wise, the PCX 125 is equipped with Honda's S Plus, enhanced Smart Power Plus, engine, delivering exceptional fuel efficiency while maintaining impressive power. The 125cc engine strikes a perfect balance, making it ideal for city commutes and short highway rides. And thanks to Honda's idling stop system, you'll save fuel during those frequent stops in urban traffic. One of the standout features for 2025 is the inclusion of Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which improves traction and ensures safety on slippery roads. Combine this with its lighter-weight frame and enhanced suspension, and you get a smooth, stable ride every time. Finally, the Honda PCX 125 also excels in connectivity. With the Honda smartphone voice control system, you can access calls, music, and navigation, all through the integrated system, perfect for staying connected while staying safe on the road. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda PCX 125, a scooter that perfectly blends style, performance, and practicality. Let us know in the comments what you think about this amazing ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more exciting reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.